All right, so Jamaicans are unique in whatever we do, you know that. And the preparation for the new school year is no different. Let's see if you agree with some of these things that parents do during this time of year. Number one, we're at the dressmaker and the tailor and barber until late. Is we do that or is the dressmaker do that? The barber for sure, because you don't want to cut the hair too early. And then by Wednesday, it grow out. But I don't know if the dressmaker and tailor is the parent fault.
Because I guess most times the people who are making uniforms would be whelmed at this time of year because chances are you're going to go to them 2 weeks.
When you have the money for buy the fabric.
Yeah, and that might be cutting it close with all the other uniforms.
Correct,
so.
correct.
Okay.
New parents stay with their child who is crying.
You know, some schools don't allow that though.
When the child is crying?
The teachers will say, no, mommy. I mean, I'm not speaking from experience or anything.
Well, we'll have to hear that from the school.
Yeah, I tried to stay with Erin when I first left her because she was crying. And they were like, no, mommy, you have to go. And I was like, but she's crying. They were like, no, mommy, you have to go.
And when them are crying, man, it's not...
No, it was like
it's
a big
some
bawling.
Wailing in a man, like, why are you leaving me?
Like, you leave and cry. You're like literally wiping away tears. And then you have the other kids who are like, and then the parents feel bad.
Yeah,
because the kids are too excited.
I know one man, the child come in the car every morning. We're going to school, yay! And she jump in the car, yay! It's when she reaches school yet. Yeah. And I'm say, all right, time. So we're not gonna cry this morning. All the drive to school, and is the coaxing. We're not gonna cry this morning. No, mommy. We're gonna have. Did you have fun at school yesterday? Yes. When you reach the school gate, I said, all right, bye.
Wailing.
Oh my God.
Gnashing of teeth.
Picture taking for social media.
It happens, but I have a concern with this one, right? I mean, I understand that you are proud of your child. I think you have to be careful in this day and age.
How much you expose them?
Yes. I'm begging the parents. We understand the zeal and the pride and the enthusiasm you feel when you're taking your child to school. But you have to remember the society that we live in. So if you post a picture of your child, try to take out the crest, any identifier at the school, anything with a name tag, a backpack with a name tag, or because you have to be careful. Some people are not, well in their headspace, and social is out there for everybody. So when you put it on Instagram and they know where you're with school, you just have to be careful, parents, measured in what you're doing. So put it out there and all the joy and all the excitement, but you have to be careful.
As well that children also have rights.
Yes, you have to protect them.
And if a child is not, because you're putting out their image on social media. It's your child, but it's their image. And I think until they get to an age where they can say, no, I don't want my picture. And some kids will say it. I don't want my, and the parent take it the same way. And they say, same vex, kind of want to take the picture. It's their right as well, because it's something we should. You're right, be careful. Parents make sure the child is neat and clean, uniform well ironed, pleats straight, shoes shine, hair well groomed. But Moss can't go back to school September and them things are not going.
Correct. Them pleats stand up like so.
Yeah.
So, have to be do. Parents follow the child to school on the first day. I think that's very important. Go in and get the child situated, meet the teachers, meet the the classmates.
Yeah, know who the fellow parents are.
Oh gosh, I see that skirt and I get in hives.
Yeah.
From when I used to press my immaculate skirt.
Pleat.
Jeez, I'm
some of the Wolmers. No. Straight like a harrow.
Yes, correct.
Not even 6 form uniform at pleats. Primary school, pleats. Yeah, the pleats. The child gets, and then if you don't catch back the pleat, the right
Mr.
way.
Harris, trust me.
You have to catch back the pleat, pleat Clive. Or you're going to end up with like a lining on the pleat.
It is an art. It's an art. I wonder if Heart has a pleating course so you can understand the art of pleating. All right.
The child gets a hearty breakfast. First day of school is true.
But depending on what eat, because most of them so excited, them belly full
But the first day of school, them always say, come, eat proper before you go to school. By next week, when the parents, them tired, them say, see some cereal here,
but
drink
if your
it or what.
children eat that before they go to school, miss, what them go to school, go to sleep? Look on the plate of hockey.
Energy.
Jeez, I'm crying.
All right. Child gets warning about New Year, man. All right, cool. We have to break for the news. Coming up next, reasons why children run away. Very important. But first, here's news in 5.